Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda CRV headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulb. You'll also want a clean cloth. Locate the headlight assembly, which is typically found behind the front grille. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. You might need to remove a few clips or screws that hold the headlight assembly or a protective cover in place. Once those are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward a bit. This gives you the necessary room to work. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb and gently disconnect it by pressing a tab and pulling. With the connector off, you can now remove the old bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise about a quarter turn, then pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb, aligning the tabs, and then twist it clockwise until it feels securely locked into its housing. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, securing any clips or screws you removed earlier. Before you finish up, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Lastly, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Make sure both high and low beams function as expected. This simple check ensures your safety on the road and completes the replacement process successfully. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.